the Pocophone F1, the flagship killer made by Xiaomi last year, and the Redmi Note 7, the new budget king also made by Xiaomi this year. So let's compare the speed of the two phones and see which one is faster and by how much. Hello everyone, my name is George, this is JS Tech, and today we're going to compare the speed of the Pocophone F1 versus the Redmi Note 7. So let's start with this. Both phones have been restarted, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and both phones are cleared from apps running in the background. So let's do some speed testing.
We about to turn it on.
That was the speed comparison between the Pocophone F1 and the Redmi Note 7. The end result probably didn't surprise anyone, me including, but still, before I made this video I had one question in mind. How much of a difference does it actually make to have 2 gigs more of RAM and a flagship chipset? And now we know the answer. And so that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and the like button as well. And until my next video, everyone, take care and bye bye.